After you have enjoyed your camping trip in your Escapod trailers, we're going to show you how to close up shop. So before you hit the road, you're just going to want to go through the galley, make sure that everything is locked in place here, that the drawers are pressed in, your cooler is in. Now when you go to close this, you want to make sure there's nothing tall on the countertop. We have had puncture holes in the door up here. And then you also want to make sure that these levers are in line with the side rail here and not perpendicular, so that everything closes up nice and smoothly. We'll drop that down, give those handles a nice quarter turn, and then we'll lock one of them for good measure. We're going to want to make sure the propane is off, so make sure we give that a nice twist to the right, that our water heater is all set. We'll ensure that the water pump is off and that both valves are in the closed position, which they are. From here, you're going to want to double check inside of the cabin that all of the handles are in the pressed in position, which locks them in place. You'll also want to make sure the vent and the windows are closed. If everything is closed up in there, you'll close both doors. And we recommend that you travel with those doors locked. You can lock just that handle there. And then coming around front, obviously we need to lower that onto our vehicle. Before we do so, we're going to lower the stabilizing feet. Using the hand crank. Give that a few rotations to the left. So you'll bring that all the way up, leave the chocks in place until these are up and the trailer is back on your vehicle.